Using the schwa is a good way to sound natural. It's the vowel sound that everybody uses but isn't taught. So it's the sound, the destressed vowel. It's used everywhere. Some common examples are things like teacher, doctor, data. And it happens in most common words, however many syllables. So in words of one syllable, if the vowel is at the end, you'll hear the schwa. So to, a, the, and you. If we put those into sentences using the schwa, we'd say, I'm going to the shop. I want to buy a cake. And in fast speech, do you want to come to the cafe becomes, do you want to come to the cafe? In words with more than one syllable, only one vowel is stressed. So, correct, before, today. But there are some words where the stress can change the meaning of the word, usually when the word is both a noun and a verb. So, a desert becomes desert. Okay, so a desert is an area with little or no rainfall. To desert is to abandon or leave your position. Slightly different in spelling to dessert, which is a pudding or a sweet dish after a main meal. Another example is the word record. So a record is a written data or audio disc, but to record is the process of making a record, just with that different emphasis on the vowel sound. So it also happens in some longer words. Some common examples are words like chocolate and vegetables. You also hear it in business, so words like management, production, and registration. There's no rule as to which vowel is stressed, but by listening carefully and knowing what you're listening for, you'll be able to use the schwa to sound more natural when speaking English.